Hi, my name is Dr. Julie Faieta. Welcome to today's app overview. Today we're going to be talking about an app called A Walk Through Dementia, and here's what the app looks like. So I'll go ahead and open the app. This app was created by Alzheimer's Research UK. What I really like about this app is that it has a very simple layout. You can see there's only really 5 different options. There's an introduction video, and this is really helpful when you first use the app. It helps explain why they created this. This app can be really useful if you're trying to understand a little bit more about what it's like to have dementia. Perhaps you just found out that your loved one has dementia, or perhaps you're a clinical educator who wants to enable your students to be a bit more empathetic and understanding when working with individuals with dementia. This app is perfect for that. So you can see there are a few different options at the top. If I touch what is dementia, it will take me to a screen where it kind of explains the condition in a very short and clear way. My only option is to click back. It's really easy to navigate through this app because from any page, you can go back to the home page pretty easily. Changing perceptions. There's a lot of jokes and sarcasm that goes on the internet that can kind of add to the stereotype with dementia. So really understanding the condition can be helpful. The last button on here is the 360-degree tour. So if I touch that, you'll see the directions pop up right here on the screen. It explains what you need to know. This used to be more of a virtual reality type app, so you could use the cardboard cutout to help block out the rest of the world. Now it's intended to be used just up at eye level like this. It'll give you directions, and then it also kind of tells you what you need to know as you go. So I'll touch next, and then you see already I can see the options as I move the screen around. So there are 3 experiences you can choose from: at the supermarket, on the road, and at home. These are all really great experiences to try, and I encourage you to try all 3. But in this video, I'm just gonna touch a little bit on at the supermarket. So I'll go ahead and touch that. Okay, so it just gives me some directions on the screen, and you can see there's an arrow on the floor. So I'll turn my volume down just a bit. If I follow this arrow, I'm going to navigate through the store, and you can see you look around by looking around. The voice you hear is you. You're the person with dementia trying to recall these things.
Where's Joe got to?
So the interesting thing about this experience is the context changes. You'll see the content on the shelves, your surroundings change a little bit as you continue to interact with the app. And that's kind of reflective of somebody who perhaps has short-term memory loss. They look around, see and think they're in one place, and then they look around again, and their understanding of where they are and what they're doing might have changed. That can be really confusing and disorienting.
Sugar. Yes, this looks like it.
So you can see that directions are given as you interact with the app. So if you don't understand it the first time, it's okay. It'll tell you how to interact with it as you go. So once we've done that, we look for the arrows.
Right, have you got everything we needed from the list?
I think so.
Where have all these biscuits come from, Mum?
So in the supermarket experience, you come up to a point in which you're confronted by your caregiver about some sweets that you've put into your basket. Only you have no memory of collecting the items. It's a pretty disorienting experience, and one that I really hope I remember next time my loved one indicates having no memory of a prior action.
Oh, I don't know. The shop looks different. Yes, it's different.
No, it's just the normal shop. Nothing's changed. Not to worry. I'll take them back to the shelf.
Hi.
Watch out, Joe! Watch out! Oh, I know it's a puddle.
If you try the on-the-road simulation, you'll experience some of the visual perceptual challenges that those with Alzheimer's disease may experience.
It looked like
Okay, so once you finish an experience, it tells you a little bit about what kind of went on. Spatial memory and navigation problems can make supermarkets disorienting. At one point during the experience, you looked around and everything looked different. You were really disoriented, even though you felt like you hadn't actually moved. So that's a really interesting experience, and you felt like somebody else had changed the situation. And in fact, they did. Obviously, this is an app. But if you had dementia, you could experience that same thing, even though you're in the same place. Thanks for watching today's video. As always, please remember this is not intended to be medical advice or recommendation. I'm not that kind of doctor. I just thought this was a great app to tell you about. I hope you download it, check it out, and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.